Hi guys, so for today I thought I'd just do a short video to talk about my favorite drawing tools, stuff that I use when drawing on my sketchbook. So basically it's two categories, and it's graphite and using pen and ink. So for the graphite section, my favorite pencil hands down is the Prismacolor, let me see if I can focus, Prismacolor Ebony pencil 14420 Jet Black. And I first started using this pencil when I got a set, a Prismacolor set that had an eraser, sharpener, this pencil, and I think another item like a blender, a color pencil blender. So that's when I first discovered this pencil, and it became my favorite basically right after, because I just like the mark that it creates, going from like super light, can you see, super light, and then you just go to dark. And it's really super easy to blend with a blending stump. You can create a mid-tone easily. I think the equivalent of this Prismacolor Ebony pencil is I think it's a 2B or a 4B, and those are other pencils I like to use if I can't find the Prismacolor one. So this is a Derwent sketching pencil in 4B, and this is a Derwent graphic in 2B. So I just like the hardness or softness, I guess, that it has. I find HB is a bit too hard for me, so I don't enjoy it as much. But on a pinch, I'll use any pencil really. So for I'll show an example for this page from the figure drawing atelier workbook. Like for this page here, I used the Prismacolor Ebony. So it's really easy to create a sharp line with it, and then for the shadows, you just use a blending tool. But for a more precise line, like something like this, where you have to just draw really clean lines, I like using a mechanical pencil. And the mechanical pencil I'm currently using and loving is the Muji one, I think, and this is a 0.5 or 0.7, I think. I really like this pencil, mechanical pencil, if I have to use it. And another graphite that I like using is this Lyra 6B. And this one I first heard about from watching Laura Vopin-Testa's video. She's a fashion illustrator, and this is what she used when she's doing just a warm-up. And also for if you're doing quick sketches, you know, for figures and stuff like that. Super easy to just do like really crazy lines. And the 6B is it's soft, but I really like the lines that it creates as well. So that's a Lyra 6B. What is this called? Non-water soluble graphite creed. I don't know if I'm saying that right. And for erasers, my favorite eraser hands down is a Staedtler one, and this one you can get a refill for that. Oops. You can get this anywhere, like Staples, Walmart I think even has it. And next eraser that I like is a kneaded eraser. This one is a Prismacolor one. Alright, and that's about it for the graphite. And now for the pen and ink. Hands down for sketching, I really like using fountain pens. And that actually started when I did Inktober last year. And after that, I just realized I really like sketching with it because it's so easy to create like the lines that you want with it, like I think anyway. So this is a Muji one. And the other one that I like is a Platinum Desk fountain pen. Both of these have extra fine nibs, which is what I like. So I even like the sound that it makes when you just draw with it. It's really cool. In terms of hatching, I mean, they're both not like a really high-end fountain pens, but I'm not really very careful with my stuff, so that's why I like using just this inexpensive pens for drawing. I feel like I can just get really rough with it, and even if I lose it, they're quite easy to replace. So and the thing is with pens, like it's easy, like if you have a water brush pen, sorry, water brush and your ink is water soluble, so it's easy to create shadows with it just by using just the water. All right, and the other tool I like using when using ink is the brush pen, and this one is the Muji one. I did a video on this a while back, I think, and you can see that video too. And this one, it's really great just to create different kinds of lines. So you can go from like really tiny to more, and I like even just the kind of effect that it has. Then when you're doing like just even if you're doing fur or really for texture drawing, I just really like using the brush pen. And this one is just a water brush that I put a blue ink in, and it's the same kind of thing. It's also very economical because you can use different kind of inks. In the brush pen is only like $2, so. All right, and that is it for today. I just thought I'd tell you guys the stuff I like using basically on a daily basis when I'm drawing. So if you have any questions like before, please feel free to comment down below, and don't forget to click the like button and subscribe if you like what you see. All right, guys, thank you, bye.